I've latched onto something heavy. Tobias, oh my goodness. What? What's up guys, Josh here with 508 Magnets. I'm here today with Tobias. We're gonna be doing some magnet fishing. We're both gonna be throwing in the Rogue, 1200 pound.
Yep.
The beast. We're gonna be doing this little bridge area here. I've actually fished here before in an older video. I'll link it up in the description or right here in the little link there. Pretty cool. We pulled out a lot of railroad spikes, railroad plates, some whippets, and some other things like that. So let's see what we can do, and if we don't have any luck over here, we're gonna walk over to the other side. So all right, let's get to throwing.
I got something.
You got something? Pull it up, let's see. Get your other hand down there, pull it up. You do. Do you know what that is?
No.
Railroad spike.
Woo!
Let's see.
Ooh.
Nice. I haven't even made my first throw, and this kid's already fishing. And he thinks he's got something big. Let's see.
I do.
You do?
Yep.
Pull it up.
That's what I wanted.
Oh my goodness.
He got it.
What is that? Do you even know?
No.
You sure? Hold it up.
Yeah.
That's a pitchfork.
Pitchfork?
Nice.
You got any of these?
I've never caught a pitchfork, no. That's pretty cool. All right, this kid's out fishing me. I haven't even started yet, and he's already got two cool things. I better get my magnet in the water. Looks like I got something. Whoa. Not sure what that is. Looks like it's two pieces. It's got a bolt going through the side there. All right. That was awesome. What'd you find?
I don't know.
Looks like a bucket handle.
It also looks like a number 3.
Yeah, I think it's a handle. See the grip right there? Cool. Feels heavier. Yep, we got something. We've got, oh, I thought it was a bolt. It looks like a spring.
I think I got a bottle cap.
And a bunch of little things. Who knows what that is? Not a clue.
I got
Old
something
rusty bits.
too.
You got something? What'd you get?
I think a lemon setting. It's just a
Lemonade
lemon.
bottle cap?
Yeah.
Yep. Probably just some lemonade, I'd say.
I think this is a big piece.
All right. I've latched onto something heavy. Tobias, oh my goodness. What? Tobias has got something huge here. Look at that.
What the?
Don't know, some sort of metal framing. Cool. That over there. Let's see what I got.
I'm gonna keep on throwing over there because there's a bunch of stuff there.
Here we go.
What is that? It's just
Railroad plate.
wow, like I think it's a giant washer because of those holes.
Yeah, it's kind of like a washer. Nice and heavy, nice scrap weight there. I will gladly take that. What'd you get? Another bottle cap?
Yeah, another lemonade one.
Somebody likes their lemonade here. I just
Yeah.
got rusty bits.
I just got
Okay.
I think all the bottle caps are lemonade bottle caps.
More railroad spikes. Pretty cool.
I got two things.
I think I do have two things.
You do.
It's extra heavy. Oh, there we go.
Oh, yeah. Two things.
We got a railroad plate and big chunk of steel.
I got a little chunk of steel.
Ah,
And plus I just...
that was a big pull for the Rogue Magnetics. Look at that.
We got 3 of those.
Another railroad plate.
I got 3 railroad plates.
I'm gonna have a good heavy scrap run this time. I can see that I'm dragging in a big section of pipe here, but I also got lots of other things on there too. Oh, big piece of pipe. Oh, nice, that's a chain.
Ooh, yeah, chain.
Maybe like a motorcycle chain, some sort of machinery. Get a little piece of angle iron and a big section of pipe, probably from one of these fences. Yeah, awesome. Pull it in. Oh, I see it.
We got all of them that were in
Nice.
water.
Hold it up. It's heavy.
Ooh.
Cool. Just pulled up a little section of pipe. Really light compared to all the railroad plates and everything we've been pulling up. Let's keep going. Oh, we just pulled up another section of that light pipe and our first whippet of the day. I don't find many of these. I've found them here before. I'm gonna assume they're for CO2 paintball guns or something. Airsofts. Give the benefit of the doubt on that one. Looks like I got a little L bracket. Oh, Tobias, what'd you get?
I'm breaking up this stick.
You got one of those before. I told you what it is, remember?
Yeah.
What?
Railroad spike.
Railroad spike, that's right.
Yep.
Cool. Alright guys, that's going to do it for us here today. We caught a bunch of stuff. Revisited this old bridge that I haven't been doing in a while, and it paid off. So this is all the stuff we've got. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 railroad plates, a bunch of railroad spikes, some odds and ends. We've got a big old chain in here, some angle iron, and the coolest thing, go grab it, by far, is this pitchfork that Tobias found. So that's pretty cool.
I think me and Remy found.
You found it together? Okay. Pretty cool. Alright guys, that's going to do it for us here today. If you're looking for a magnet, check out Rogue Magnetics. There's a link down below in the description. Coupon code 508MAG10 for 10% off your order. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. If you like the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And as always, thanks for watching. Oh man, it's heavy.